G'day, Rocky here from NumatAGRI. Today we're exploring DairyGrip, a heavy-duty matting solution for dairy tracks. Designed for high traffic areas, this mat offers unique benefits for your farm. DairyGrip mats are sourced from Australia, repurposed from conveyor belting used in the mining industry. This eco-friendly approach gives these mats a second life, contributing to sustainability. Each DairyGrip mat, at roughly 22mm thick, features a distinctive zigzag and straight line groove pattern. Although not as grippy as our V-Grip mat that features raised lugs, these grooves provide sufficient traction for flat surfaces. It's important to note that DairyGrip isn't recommended for slopes. What sets this product apart is its ability to withstand high traffic conditions while minimising maintenance. You're looking at a long-term solution that keeps track maintenance at a minimum and prevents pugging. This mat is designed to last for decades, making it a key investment for your farm. Another key feature is our unique joining system, seamlessly connecting the mats together. This is complemented by galvanised steel pins that anchor the mats securely in place, ensuring they stay put under the hustle and bustle of dairy farm life. The initial investment for DairyGrip might range between $4,000 to $15,000 for a 30-metre track, depending on the width, which often sees returns in just a few years. The benefits of DairyGrip have been noted by many farmers. Increased cow comfort and flow, reduced lameness, and a significant reduction in stones being carried onto the yard. This means better overall health for your herd, large financial returns, and smoother farm operations. DairyGrip provides a stable surface on flat tracks, ensuring the well-being of your livestock.